Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop. How to create product poster with depth and focus in Photoshop. Click file, then select the new file in Photoshop. Create a 2000 by 2025 canvas size, then drag product image into canvas. Now press Ctrl plus T and resize product. Center product on canvas. Duplicate product layer using Ctrl plus J. Move duplicate below original. Fill duplicate with the black color. Go to the filter, select blur and also select Gaussian blur. Increase blur for shadow, then press OK. Lower opacity to 30%. Stretch shadow horizontally.